Welcome to my kitchen. So today I wanted to share with you how I meal prep my tofu. I have been a vegetarian for well over 15 years now, and tofu is a staple in my diet to make sure that I get in enough protein. I make tofu so that it lasts the longest time possible, and I can switch it up every day. First thing you've got to do when you get tofu is take it out of the package. I always get extra firm tofu because that is the highest protein count. You have to squish it. It's called pressing. You got to press your tofu. I put 2 or 3 layers of paper towels on the top and the bottom, and I place my tofu on the tray and then one on top. And then I put heavy weight on the top of it to press it. So just like that, I cut up some cubes. I put them on the parchment paper on the baking tray. I'm spreading it out. We've got tofu. So I baked this at 475 for 20 minutes, and I switched the top tray with the bottom tray and moved it around halfway through. Added salt. That's it.